SyndLab is a web-based app which lets you rank your videos and your sites on Google in 2 days or even less. By syndicating your content to more than 30 social networks, SyndLab can process all types of content, whether it is blog sites, videos, websites and more. The interesting thing about SyndLab is that you can syndicate the content right away or schedule for later time. SyndLab allows you to fully control your business and rank first on Google automatically. SyndLab 2.0 has just been finished and are packed with so many new things. Get the first ranking of websites and videos, all in one click. Build more than 30 social syndications to any URL. A built-in scheduler to schedule up to 14 days in advance. Export your campaigns easily. A few other upgrades they've made in SyndLab 2.0 are completely revamped their syndication engine to deliver faster syndications and also faster results after processing over 500,000 syndications, upped their syndication integrations from 21 sites to 30 sites, increased to 51 sites for Auto 1. Added RSS feeds of your campaigns to allow for even further syndication and also indexing. Added campaign cloning to make it faster and easier to get even more content syndicated. Added Facebook photo and video syndication. Integrated with the #1 photo sharing website, Instagram. Added the ability to export campaign reports in just one click, and much more. They literally have a list of about 25 upgrades they've made for SyndLab 2.0. These are a few that are most prevalent for you to know about. With SyndLab you will be able to easily and quickly syndicate your videos and/or niche websites across all your networks. Be able to get fast page 1 rankings through the power of social syndication backlinks. Be able to have your blog posts go viral by syndicating your content on all social platforms. Be able to post instantly or schedule posts for the future. And much more. Can't reveal it all just yet. How does it work? Everything you has to do has been narrowed down into these 4 steps. Step 1. Choose to syndicate and rank a site or a video. Step 2. Choose which sites you want. Step 3. Choose to start now or to schedule. Step 4. Let the app take the rest of your work. You will soon notice significant changes in rankings, traffic, and sales. All are done completely automatically. One thing you should know is that you do not need proxies or CAPTCHA to make the system work. SyndLab, facts. Is SyndLab Mac compatible? Yes. Actually, SyndLab works on any PC. It's a web-based app, which means you just need a web browser and a net connection and you will be able to use SyndLab. Do I need any proxies or CAPTCHAs to make SyndLab work for me? Nope. We have created SyndLab in a way that you do not need any CAPTCHAs or proxies to make it work. Many ranking tools require CAPTCHAs and proxies, but SyndLab does not. Is there a guarantee policy? Yes, certainly. We're extremely confident in what we have created. So confident that you will be able to use SyndLab for a full 30 days. And if within those 30 days you feel SyndLab isn't for you, then just shoot us an email and we will give you a full refund. Does SyndLab work for local marketing? Yes, certainly. We have built SyndLab to work for anything you are looking to do online. Local, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, e-commerce, pretty much anything that you need targeted traffic for. Conclusion. Not only are you getting access to SyndLab for the best price ever offered, but also you're investing entirely without risk. SyndLab include a 30-day money-back guarantee policy. When you choose SyndLab, your satisfaction is guaranteed. If you are not completely satisfied with it for any reason within the first 30 days, you're entitled to a full refund, no question asked. You've got nothing to lose. What are you waiting for? Try it today and get the following bonus now.